Sir, I am sure that there will be no teacher like you that with full dedication, with a minimum fee, you are able to cover entire syllabus, and we are very much um, thankful to you, sir. Also, we had Sundays as holidays from the beginning, but now every day are classes. But we don't want to miss any of the classes. If other engagements we are avoiding, and it is only for sir, and sir, very much thankful to you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Naufal. Actually, when I started with Naufal at the beginning, I was only worried about two students. One was Naufal and other was Rakesh. But Rakesh was not a horse of a big race, so he quit. But I was very much worried about Naufal. But the day he achieved in one of the assessment class, he achieved 90% marks. That day I realized that no, this is my right student. He is the right student who is going to qualify next this time. And after that, I got confidence in him, and accordingly, he really progressed very well. Thank you so much, Naufal.
Yes, sir. I don't know any history part of literature now. I'm able to almost recollect all things. Thank you, sir.
Exactly. Thank you so much.
Sir, actually, I really don't have any words to say, but everything is good for me, sir. Before join your class, I don't have any knowledge about the English literature, sir. Even also, I know the modern romantic age, but I don't know which in their age or which writer will come in that age. And I try to join your every class. That is, every day I find new things, and I try to do my best according to you. But I'm not able to do every time because due to the lack of time. But I'm really grateful to you, sir. You are doing all this best thing for us. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, Niru. Really, you have progressed very well. But few areas, I always find some problem creating to you. Like as also we had a conversation today that you have a problem in Elizabethan era.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you know your weakness, you can concentrate on the area where you are weak. So it's very wonderful job that you know your weakness. Many people does not
Yes,
know their weakness.
yes, sir. I joined your classes in the starting of March, but before that, I missed that classes. I gone through the PDF, but I didn't get the good idea from that. I try to revise everything, but I forget time to time like that PDF.
Yeah, there is a difference between the live class and reading the PDF. So there is a
Yes,
difference,
many times
definitely.
I saw the lengthy PDF, then I take the two, three things. I note the 10 to 20 points. Just I leave that PDF. But that class I am doing side by side with you. This is also that is important for me. I am getting
Yeah,
every idea from that PDF. But before the I missed I think 35 PDFs, 35 classes.
okay.
But I
But
will
I'll
try.
really congratulate you for staying connected for more than 6 months. And
Yes.
apart from having so many household responsibilities, you continued the entire course. That's really a big and tremendous achievement by you. Thank you so much, Peter.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Actually, I have a lot to say, sir, but due to time restriction, I will limit my words and emotions. The first thing I just want to say, I still remember the days before meeting you, sir. What was I? On those days, I was nothing, but you turned me into something, and now I feel when I talk to someone or I read something, I really feel that yes, there is a lot of changes has been occurred inside me, and there's a lot of things I have gained, but still I have to go more and more. So I just want to stick with you, sir. I'm not going to lose you or leave you, and it's
You
really,
also,
sir.
sir.
and it's really a very wonderful sir, journey. And you made me a man of knowledge, I can say sir, that this much, because I never identified myself, and I ever have a thought of myself that I am good for nothing, I can't do anything, uh, even a small thing in my life. But you really changed me, sir. You motivated me in such a way that yes, no, everyone has some ability, some qualities inside him, and just you try to get it out all the qualities, good qualities from me. So thanks for all these things, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Namit. Actually, this contribution is not alone from me, but this entire literary family that we have. Everyone is so nicely connected with each other. They are contributing their knowledge, their skills with each other. This it's really, really very beautiful family that I like. And not only we have learned literature, but we have learned so many moral things. We have learned about making PPTs. We have learned about how to take the classes. We have learned about how to improve our communication skills, how to talk with the people, how to deal with the people, how to deal with the doubts created by the scholars. So we have learned so many things. So thank you so much,
Yes,
Namit.
yes.
Good evening, sir.
A very good evening, dear.
Sir, it's sad news for us that it's the last day of our previous batch, but still we are having good news also that on Monday we will have another batch. So definitely I will join you, and I think all the scholars will join you. And it was a tremendous experience, and your classes were always effective, sir. As Namit sir said earlier, I was thinking that I don't know anything about literature, but now I can say I know 60% literature just because of you, sir. And you gave me motivation all the time, and you made me a knowledgeable person in literature as well as in my personal life also. You always suggested best option as I talked with you in my personal problems also, and you always motivated me and gave solutions, sir. A big thanks to you, sir, and definitely we will join you and we will not lose you, as Namit sir said. पीछा नहीं छोड़ेंगे, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for all this.
Thank you so much, Nisha. One thing is very sure that if there is some blood test which indicates the level of literature in your blood, then definitely.
Definitely, I'm very much sure, sir. अंदर से वो फीलिंग आती है कि नहीं मुझे भी ऐड कर सकती हूँ. हाँ पक्का सर, क्योंकि वो टीचिंग स्किल्स भी आपने सिखा दी है क्लासेस दे दे के ना, कि आप क्लासेस ले रहे हो, आप रिवीजन. तो अब कोई गलती करता भी है ना, तो सर उसको टोकने की आदत हो गई है कि नहीं ऐसे नहीं ऐसे है, और सीधा निकलता है प्रेम से मैं सिखाता हूँ.
Exactly. Thank you so much, Nisha.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, at first I would like to thank you, and I think I am blessed and I am lucky that I have got the opportunity to join in your class, and I have learned a lot of from this journey. But actually, sir, sometimes I lost my hope that I have qualified my master degree in the year 2008. 12 years have passed away after my qualification, after my passing my MA exam, and I have joined also in a job. So at least, sir, in the 2019, I thought that it is not possible for me to qualify the NET when I am just few marks left to qualify the NET. Then I think no, it is not possible for me, because simultaneously to job and study it is not possible. And I have qualified in my I have passed my exam 2008. The syllabus has changed, and a lot of new things have arrived in this exam in this era. And when I saw in your book that and when I studied that from the author content, and I studied in your book that from author to the reader, this portion, and this also motivated me. And now I am thinking a thought that yes, I have studied 12 years ago. Okay, it will be quite easy to memorize all the things, and it will be easy to be joined in your class, and it will be easy for me to recapitulate of all the things to memorize. And all the time I've got inspiration from you that the so much competency, so much in, supremacy in the all the fields of literature. It may be the modern era, it may be the other or literature, it may be the criticism area, it may be the British literature. So much supremacy, so much competency you have. It is so it is, I think it is for me more it gives me more inspiration that and I always like to follow you, and you are my real inspiration to and as I get the supremacy in this field. And I don't know the what will be happen in my future, that I can qualify NET or not, I don't know. But it is quite helpful to know the literature, the other literature, other novels, and other stories. It's quite interesting for me, and I have learned a lot of from you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Vidyut. It's really heart-touching words that you said. There is no doubt that you are going to qualify NET. It's not a matter of qualifying NET. We are studying not to qualify NET here. We are studying to touch the success, the height of success that is there. And definitely, the way you have progressed, the way you have prepared, the way you have made your strategies to prepare, that's really outstanding. And many of us have learned many things. Even I have learned few things from you. So really, you are an inspiring personality for all the literary family of this literature group. Thank you so much, Vidya.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Thank you, sir, for all the guidance which you have given to us. I have just remembered first day when I joined your class, and from that day, I got some inspiration from you, because I have completed my PG degree in 2007, and after that I have done MPhil, but there is a huge gap between this 10 years. And when I started your classes, I got a new motivation that I have to do this. I have to clear my NET exam, and because I love the subject, but the circumstances was that I have left the preparation. And but after I have taken your book and reading that book, not even that time I am happy of my preparation, but when I joined your class, every day we get some inspiration. There's a spirit to win the things. Every day you motivate us from your words, or the things, how to relate the things, literature, because bookish knowledge is everywhere. We can read the things anywhere. There are so much PDFs on net, and books are available in market. But the things, how to relate the things, and what is the things behind the message or the work which you told us, that is very knowledgeable to us. So thanks is, to say thank to you is not the word, because I think you have done so hard work for us. The what you have done for us, it's really really tremendous. So we wish that we all should qualify the NET. Then it will be a true success of you, because you are doing so hard work for us. So I wish that we all should qualify the NET.
Yes, sure. Thank you so much, ma'am. Because the day the NET is result will be announced, definitely we are going to celebrate a huge party together, online party.
Yes, sir, because you worked so hard for us, sir. You have done work for a number of hours for us only. I thought that we should do the things that you should feel proud on us.
Yes, sure. Thank you so much, ma'am. Actually, I'll tell you one fact that you too have been inspiration for the entire scholars of this literary group. I remember when I was conducting the assessment classes, assessment tests every week. So few scholars were used to give your example. One was Neeru and the other was Madhuri, and they were worried that how Dipti ma'am is getting 40, how Dipti ma'am is getting 45.
Notes and everything. You
So,
are just big inspiration for us, because whatever I have started to touch against again literature work, it's because of you only. Because I thought that if you can do this, then I can also.
yes, definitely, definitely. And one thing I have learned from you to be on the time. You are the most punctual student of my class.
Thank you, sir.
सर गुड इवनिंग सर
Very good evening, dear.
और होली स्कूल गुड इवनिंग सर। मैं एक्चुअली मेरी जर्नी भी सर शुरुआत से ही हुई सर। मैंने सबसे पहले सर्च कर रहा था कि मतलब कौन किससे किया जाए, और उसी दौरान सर एक होता है ना कि फॉर्चुनेटली आपसे मुलाकात हुई सर, और उसके बाद मैंने तुरंत आगे पीछे नहीं सोचा, तुरंत आपकी क्लास को ज्वाइन किया, जिससे मुझे सर मैंने देखा कि बहुत अच्छा लगा सर। और मैंने विदाउट डिले लास्ट शायद डे था, मुझे याद है, आपने बोला कि बहुत ही कम समय है, आप पे कीजिए और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्लास शुरू होगा 5 जनवरी से। तो मैंने तुरंत वहीं से तुरंत किया और उसके बाद ज्वाइन किया। तो सर जैसा मैं सोच रहा था, मुझे जिस तरह से एक मेंटर की ज़रूरत थी, क्योंकि मैं बिल्कुल अननोन था सब्जेक्ट के बारे में, तो वो मुझे सब कुछ मिला एवरी एंगल से। मतलब चाहे तो मोटिवेशनल हो, चाहे मुझे लिटरेचर में जैसा भी हो, मतलब एक बहुत मतलब कहा जाए 100% सहयोग सर आपकी तरफ से मुझे मिला। और मैं सर आपको कभी भूल नहीं सकता। जितने भी मेरे अभी जितने भी स्कॉलर्स हैं, सभी मेरे अच्छे फ्रेंड हैं मोस्टली, और हम तो यही कहेंगे कि अब मेरा ऐसा हो गया है लिटरेचर के लिए कि ये जो टाइम है ना सर, अब कभी कभी ऐसा जब छुट्टी हो जाती है तो लगता है कि हाँ चलिए आज है तो आज क्लास नहीं हो रहा है, ऐसा मतलब एक पढ़ने के लिए इस तरह से डिसिप्लिन हो गए थे कि हाँ पढ़ना ही है और कुछ नहीं दूसरा करना है। और सर
This class is like a sleeping dog.
यस सर अडल्टिव हो गए थे सर पूरी तरह से। तो ये सर एडिक्टेड थे पूरी तरह से सर। और उसके लिए सर मुझे, हम लोगों को ज़्यादा, मुझे अपनी तरफ से बोल रहा हूँ, बाकी मुझे नहीं पता है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरा इतना एफर्ट्स नहीं है, उससे ज़्यादा सर कहीं ना कहीं आपका मतलब हमेशा मतलब फ्रंट पे जैसे होता है ना सर, गुड कमांडर फ्रंट पे रह करके मतलब, तो वो चीज़ मुझे कहीं ना कहीं नजर आई सर आप में हमेशा। मतलब हम लोग जरूर कैजुअल हो जाते होंगे, बट आप फ्रंट पे इसी तरह खड़े रहे हमारे लिए सर, ये हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी की बात है सर। जो भी प्राप्त होता है ना सर, कुछ मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं से कुछ उसका लिंकअप रहता है, कुछ प्रीवियसली, तो वो मेरे लिए मिला सर कहीं ना कहीं। तो मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा सर, लिटरेचर में भी सीखा, सब लोगों से सीखा, आपसे तो सीखा ही सीखा सर, सभी लोगों से सीखा लिटरेचर क्या है, कैसे क्या करना है, बहुत कुछ सीखा है। अभी मुझे सर पढ़ना बाकी है, अब इसको मैं धीरे धीरे सिंक्रोनाइज करूंगा माइंड में। तो सर जरूर मुझे लगा एक अच्छी प्लेटफॉर्म पे, अभी सर बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म दे दिया सर आपने, इस लेवल पे लाके खड़ा कर दिया कि अब लिटरेचर के बारे में सब कुछ समझने लगे हैं धीरे धीरे। और भी हालांकि बहुत बड़ा सब्जेक्ट है, बट जो होता है ओवरव्यू तो सर पूरी तरीके से पता चल गया है, मतलब किस तरह से गो थ्रू करना है लिटरेचर में। और मेरे लिए सर मेरी लाइफ का यही पार्ट था कि मुझे किसी तरह से समझ में आना चाहिए, और वो मुझे अपनी लाइफ का एक जो होता है ना सर, वो मुझे मिल गया सर। तो थैंक यू सर।
The very first of this year, sir, in January, I feeling I'm not that much. I'm not doing what I wanted to do. Then I come to know about your classes in WhatsApp, sir. At that time only I decided, yes, I want to do this, because I worked with you since 3 years, since 2017, sir. I know you, how you are doing things, how you are involving people, how you are motivating, and how you are keeping all of us stay connected and keep us reading and reading and reading. Um, these classes made me so attentive and so systematic and so scientific. In a scientific way, you carried out all of us, sir. The quizzes, mock tests, and these classes, everything was. It's a new kind of experience, sir. I never felt I will do this kind of activities, because never had an opportunity to be with such scholars, sir. Because of you only, I came to know all these things, and I feel more confident these days, sir. Because even if I commit mistakes, that will make there is always a chance to correct them. All these things
Exactly.
happened because of you, sir. Because of your motivation, the time, the dedication, more than knowledge, you gave us that, sir. That study pattern, how to study. I really, there are no words, sir, for you. I just
Thank you so
wanted
much, and
want to
thank you
stay
so much.
connected with you forever, sir. That's my wish.
Obviously, I am always there with all the scholars until they achieve the height of success in your life. I am always there to help you out. Wherever you feel trouble, you can call me anytime. Even in the night, you can call me, and you can ask for your problems, how to solve them.
Yes, sir. Yes, but
After hearing everyone, na sir, I can say one thing very sure, sir. Hello, am I audible,
Yes,
sir?
yes, yes, dear, you are audible.
Sir, I just want to say that you found us bricks and turned into marble, sir.
Oh my God.
Now we have to talk in literature only, na, sir?
Okay, thank you so much.
We all are
So
feeling the
not
same
feeling good.
thing.
So we are not feeling good that what to do from tomorrow on this topic.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm just speechless now. But at first, I would like to say that I am the most silent and obviously weak student among us. I think that's so. And I have joined you from the cultural studies, and before I joined you, I have read only British literature. But whenever I joined your class, I get more interested in literature, and I have learned from you the strategy and 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 a lot from you, sir, and get inspiration. But still, I have the weak point from British literature. I don't know how I uh, um, solve these, but still, sir, uh, I say that your class is really wonderful, and I never forget you, sir, uh, because I just find out the track from you. That's all.
Okay, thank you so much, Sumana. Actually, I was too much worried when you joined the class in between. So I was not sure that the people who are joining the classes in between, whether I'll be able to help you out or not. But obviously, you have worked hard. One thing is very sure that the moment you have joined the classes, after that, you have changed the momentum of your preparation, and now you are preparing very well. And I always eager to know what is your performance in the practice set. And I always emphasize that whether, Sumana, are you analyzing the questions of the practice state? So that I want that whatever the moment that you have missed the classes, that should be recovered, because all the topics are equally important for any exam. So we are not only preparing for the NET exam, because NET is not our ultimate destiny. Our ultimate destiny to touch the success. we must be selected at whatever the exam we appear, we should be able to qualify. Our preparation should be of that level.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Sumana, and thank you all the